everyone, welcome back to my channel MH Academy. Hope you all doing well. Today let's discuss about digital circuits. For PDF, join my Telegram channel in the description link. So let's start. What is digital circuit? Digital circuit uses transistors to create logic gates in order to perform Boolean logic. What is Boolean logic? Boolean logic is a form of algebra where all values are either true or false, which are used to represent digital input or digital output. And also, it is the set of laws or rules. By using zeros and ones, we can determine the input and output of the digital circuits. This logic is the foundation of digital electronics and computer processing. By using these digital circuits, we can perform error detection and error correction with digital signals. Digital circuits are classified into two types, that is combinational logic circuit and sequential logic circuit. So let's know about combinational logic circuit. Combinational logic circuit, in this the output at any instant of time depend on the input present at that instant only. In this combinational circuit, we can see in this the output depends on the inputs which are present at that instant only. For the design of combinational digital circuits, we are using basic gates and universal gates. Basic gates are AND, OR and NOT gates, whereas universal gates are NAND and NOR gates. The examples of universal combinational logic circuits are half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, code converter, decoder, multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder, ROM, etc. Next, let's discuss about sequential logic circuit. In this, the output at any instant of time not only depends on the present input but also on the previous input or outputs. As in this circuit, we can see a combinational circuit is being used with the memory element, and in this the output at any instant of time depend on the present as well as previous input or output. For the design of this circuit, in addition to the gates, we need one more extra element, that is flip-flop. What is flip-flop? Flip-flop is a memory element used in clocked sequential circuits. In this flip-flop, binary cells can store only one bit of information. This flip-flop is a basic building block for the register, memories, counters and other functions in digital system. The example of sequential logic circuits are register, shift registers, counters, flip-flops. The memory element which we are using in the sequential logic circuit uses one bit storage element only. Next, let's discuss about differences between combinational and sequential logic circuits. This is the combinational circuit and this is sequential logic circuit. The main difference in this both circuits are, coming to the first combinational circuit, it does not use any memory, it does not have any feedback path from input to output, and its operation described by truth table only. Whereas coming to sequential circuit, it uses memory, feedback path from output to input, and operation can be described by truth table as well as timing diagram. Next, coming to the combinational logic circuit, it does not use a clock signal and its action does not depend on clock transition. Whereas in sequential circuit, it may or may not use a clock signal, but mostly it uses a clock signal in sequential logic circuits. Combinational circuit is simpler than that of sequential logic circuit, whereas sequential logic circuits are more complex than that of combinational logic circuits. This combinational circuit uses basic gates NAND, NOR, OR, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR, whereas the sequential logic circuits use a basic gates as well as combination circuit. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.